So you heard TRVL, the Real Vacation Lifestyle, had private MediJet service, and you wanted to know what that was all about. I'm going to tell it to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kwan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6 to 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And check this out. Today, I got another TRVL, the Real Vacation Lifestyle update for you. And this one is about their private MediJet service. So, you're probably saying, what? I get a private jet to myself? Well, not quite, okay? But what it is it's a world-class medical transport and comprehensive medical solution, okay? So, wherever you are and whatever the medical need, the MediJet service assures you receive seamless access to the highest level of care. So, let's break down exactly what this is all about. So let's say something happens to you, right? Let's say you went to Cancun, you're enjoying yourself, you climbed one of the rocks, you know, you wanted to jump off a waterfall or something, you did the biggest belly flop in history. You know, broke something up in here, you know, all up in here, you just hurt, right? So you like, what would happen in that case, in that scenario? You would end up, first of all, you got to get yourself out of that situation and get yourself back up the rock and back on dry land, right? But then you have to get yourself to a hospital. And the hospital is probably more than likely going to be in Cancun. And, you know, they're not going to send you back to the airport and come home. That's not going to happen. They're going to send you to the one in Cancun. Well, what if you can call your private jet and then have them pick you up and literally take them to your hospital? Take them to your private primary care doctor. Take them to, and it doesn't even have to be international. Even if you was in, let's say domestic. Let's say you was in Miami, you know, but you live in Las Vegas like me, and something happened to you while you was in Miami. Would you rather get flown to a doctor that you don't know, only to have to still come back to to Las Vegas, and then probably see your primary doctor, or get stitched up, get cast up, get all the things necessary, but then have to get on a regular plane, go through the regular airport, go through regular TSA, all that, to get back to where you actually live? It would be much, wouldn't it? Well, wouldn't you rather get on a private jet and have that jet literally take you to your hometown and your home doctor? Well, that's what they're offering. This actually, also, this is a real life story. This happened to somebody where they had the same service, right? And they had hurt themselves. I think they had broke their leg, and it was someplace, you know, exotic. And it was someplace so exotic that they didn't have a runway for an airplane to actually land on. Okay? So what ended up happening is they sent a helicopter to go get them. And that helicopter cost $80,000. But it cost them nothing. Zero. Because they had this program. So let's get into exactly what you kind of get. So let's go through the alerts. You know, it provides air medical transport to the hospital of your choice. Okay. Provides access to worldwide medical and second opinion referrals, consultations, and prescription assistance. Operates a state-of-the-art logistics center on alert around the clock. Supplies up-to-the-minute security advisories before you travel and safety assessments while you are away. Arranges international legal referrals. Okay? There is no copay, no deductible. In the midst of an emergency, reliability and cost should be your last concern. MediJet provides access to unsurpassed quality of care without hidden fees. We cover you at home and while traveling. No medical necessity or nearest appropriate facility clause. Pre-existing condition accepted. Let me say that again. Pre-existing conditions accepted. So no matter if you got diabetes, heart problems, or high blood pressure, you can still qualify and will qualify. There are no financial limitations, claim forms, or out-of-pocket expenses for you. Travel insurance focused on trip cancellation and lost baggage, while MediJet focuses on taking care of you. The member benefits are MediJet is more than just a membership benefit. We are your advocate every day of the year. So I have worldwide MediJet transportation bedside to bedside to the hospital of your choice. 24/7 logistics center for worldwide medical and second opinion referrals, consultation, prescription assistance. Now this one gets real serious and important to me. Foreign travel advisory and threat assessment, and transport of mortal remains and legal referrals and agency message relay. So that tells you, let's say something happens and, you know, you got to get back to the U.S., right? You're not from wherever you're at. You know, you might went to Thailand or, you know, Mexico or something, and you need to handle, maybe you lost your passport or something like that. Well, guess what? They can help you with that. Okay, so requesting services. In the event that a covered member requires medical or transport assistance The covered or primary member must contact member support for direct assistance. In order to be eligible for coverage, the primary member must reside in either the United States, Canada, or Europe. Member must be admitted to or is being discharged from a hospital more than 500 miles from the member's residence in the United States, Canada, or Europe. So basically, you just got to be actually away, like on a trip. You got to be so far that they can't say, well, wait a minute. You can get there to yourself within the next 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes or an hour. That can't be the case. So you just need to be at least 500 miles away, and then you can take advantage of this. Okay? In the event that the international medical reparation is required, the requesting member should contact member support. Okay? Then you can actually have them take care of that. So as you can see, again, another benefit in joining TRVL, the Real Vacation Lifestyle, because how cool is this service right here? This is why I tell people, you want to be all in. They say, well, what package should I pick? Be all in. You know, get the biggest package, get the VIP package, because this is available in the VIP package along with everything else. So everything that TRVL has to offer is in the VIP package. So it just makes sense to me to be all in. That's why I'm all in, you know, and I recommend you do the same. But again, you got to do what's right for yourself. But me personally, I feel that this is a no-brainer and definitely makes me feel secure when I'm out and about, especially internationally. All right, so you like what you see? You like, you know, you done seen enough. You done seen all my videos, right? You done see me just giving you the rundown on TRVL, the Real Vacation Lifestyle, to the fullest. Well, then you can do this. Sign up below right there. You see that link where it says trvlelite.now.site? Hit that and go ahead and get yourself started. Or if you got questions, a lot of times we do, I got the answers. Call me 619-306-9453. It's actually my personal phone number. Yes, I'm the only one crazy enough to put my personal phone number on YouTube. Go ahead, call it and see. Call me right now. Like right now. Watch. I'm ready for you. Look, I'm waiting for you. All right. Also, if you want to stay in the loop, be able to get up-to-date updates on what's going on with TRVL, want to make sure that you always know what's happening in real time, then you can text TRVL to 702-553-3326. All right, and you'll be in the loop. Now, last but not least, I know you've been seeing that QR code up there, right? You've been asking yourself, what is that? What is that up there for? Well, basically, if you scan that QR code with your phone, you'll get a list of all my top passive income opportunities that I'm currently involved in. And the reason why I put that there is because people always ask me, Kawan, what else you got going on? Wow, that last thing was great. Or I made money with you here. What else you got going on? Well, you don't have to ask me that anymore. You can just actually scan that QR code and you'll get a full list of everything I have going on. All right. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos as well. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.